and welcome to another episode of Skewered by Celeste Barber. This episode we have a very special guest and you'll never guess who it is. Introducing Hot Husband!
Now?
Yes, now. Up. Hi. So good to have you on.
Great to be here.
Yeah.
Hi. So do I just stand here like this?
Yes, like that. Well, if you're going to sook, put this on. But people are going to log off right about now.
Ah, cool.
Or maybe not.
Fits well.
Does fit well. Does fit well. So, what we're this is a bit of a special episode because as you can see, we're not in the Skewered studio. We are, however, in our own home kitchen. So,
This isn't a kitchen.
okay, well it could be our kitchen.
Not really, because we live with your parents and the Goldie.
Just a little second. We've talked about this. You do the looking good and I do all the other stuff and you just follow suit, okay? Got it?
Got it.
Alrighty, let's get into it. What have we got on the menu today, you hot little hottie hots?
Since tonight is date night at our place,
Which is definitely not my parents' place.
I thought we'd try something a little bit special.
Yes?
It's ocean trout and Thai coconut sauce.
Ooh.
For something healthy and a bit gourmet.
He's actually really good at this. Look at all of this, so green and healthy. That's how you and I stay so svelte, isn't it, babe?
Yeah, we do. Step one,
Step one.
I'm going to put some rice in here. What I need you to do is grab some kaffir lime leaves.
Yes?
And scrunch them up. They'll sort of release all that flavour.
Get you real scrunchy. Do you know what I learnt when I did this with Alex Perry?
All right.
I don't know if you saw it because you don't like to A, read my book or watch anything I do.
No, I do remember, actually.
You do it from a height.
That's great.
What made you decide to come on to Skewered?
Well, you told me that Lady Gaga pulled out the last minute.
Okay, again, with the truth telling in front of the cameras, yeah? Don't do it. So, hot husband, what made you come on Skewered by Celeste Barber?
I just really wanted to see you in the kitchen.
Oh, what are you talking about? I'm always in the kitchen.
Just want to see you cook.
Sorry, I cook all the time.
Like toast.
Yeah, like toast. What's wrong with toast? Okay, so step 2.
Okay, we're going to prep the veggies. We're going to grate the garlic and we're going to toast the coconut.
Is that a joke about toasting? You have over 100,000 Instagram followers. Where do you reckon they kind of all came from?
It's kind of hard to say, really.
Is it hard to say though?
Well, you know, it just sort of gradually, it's been climbing.
No, not true. The reason why you have that many, I think, is because maybe I've got 5.7 million followers and I told them to follow you and they have. Do you think that maybe that could be how it happened?
Could be.
Could be.
Time to stir fry the veg. I'll put the heat on.
Fair to say,
Little-
the heat's already on.
Little drizzle of this olive oil.
Good.
These greens.
Yeah.
Broccoli. Beans. These lovely crispy beans.
You are really in your element, aren't you?
Well, look, I am enjoying it.
That's good.
And of course, half of the garlic.
Yeah, I was going to say half.
Only half. That's
He's
right.
found his camera. Look at you.
And a dash of water. So the ocean trout,
Uh-huh.
I want to put this in skin down.
Of course.
To make it nice and crisp. Okay, I'm just going to hold these down with a spatula to keep it from curling.
Yes.
Very important, this step.
Yes, very important. Very important, that step.
These are looking pretty good, so I'll flip them.
Right. Oh, God, isn't he though? Isn't he going to flip it over?
We'll give that a few minutes.
This is like dinner and a show.
The fish looks good.
It smells good.
Just going to plate it up.
I've noticed this is on. What's going on with this guy?
Oh yeah, we're going to do the sauce. That's coming up next. Coconut cream in, the ginger, brown sugar,
Yeah.
right?
And then fish sauce.
That's
Oh, yeah.
it.
Okay, so hot husband. People want to know how you look so good.
I surf a lot,
Oh, yeah, really?
and I've started some personal training sessions with Jo.
Uh-huh.
She's really good.
She, like woman Joe, like as in what sort of woman?
A really fit one. Just keep stirring the sauce.
How's the fish?
Fish is done.
Yeah, so are we, mate, if you touch her. Let's plate up.
Okay.
Great.
Grab some rice.
Yeah. Can you put it in the middle and make it look like that photo?
Okay, I will try.
Boy. What goes after rice?
Greens.
Greens. Here we go. Here's something I prepared earlier. You prepared earlier?
Fantastic.
Ah, there were more. Great. I'm just helping you.
That's good.
Can you feel that? Can you feel that support?
Oh, I can feel the energy.
Yes. Okay, now fish. Make sure it just goes on top. Don't let it slide.
Yep. Chili. Protein, greens, and carbs. Proper meal. I'm stoked with that.
Me too. You did so well.
Cheers.
Yay, let's go. I'm proud of you, darling. You could totally do this in a restaurant. You did it all yourself as well.
It's really good, and it's really good for you.
Yeah.
I might propose a toast
Yeah.
to a lovely night out away from your parents' house.
Okay, well, you ruined that because we don't live with my parents. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time on Skewered by Celeste. Where are our kids?
I thought you'd organise it. Where's my phone?
Hurry up. I don't know. I just don't want this to go cold. Where are they? Boys, just check they're all right, yeah?